Over 100 gears stand still, forming a complex mechanism. Each one is connected to the next through a small gear in the center, which transmits the motion further along the chain. The first one starts to rotate, gradually passing the motion onward. It sets the second and the next ones in motion, and so on down the chain. But there is an important detail here. The small gear in the center has 10 times fewer teeth than the large one next to it. Because of this, it is forced to rotate much faster. It needs to make 10 full rotations for the large gear beside it to make just one. The second and third gears are connected in exactly the same way. The central part of the second gear also has 10 times fewer teeth than the third, and this, the effect of accumulation. The third gear makes one full rotation only after the second gear has turned 10 times, and only after the first gear has turned 100 times. When we reach the 25th gear, the difference becomes almost unbelievable. For it to make even one full rotation, the first gear has to turn about 1 septillion times. This number is so huge that it's hard to even imagine, but it gets even more extreme. When the motion reaches the 50th gear, the scale goes beyond ordinary comprehension. For it to make one full rotation, the first gear would have to turn almost 10 quindecillion times. Each subsequent step slows the motion by a factor of 10, so in the end, the last gear rotates a googol times slower than the first. That's a number with 100 zeros. As a result, for this last gear to make even a single rotation, it would take more time than the entire universe has existed.